I'm going to show you how to make my pizza dough that I enjoy making the most. I like to keep the ingredients pretty simple. Use a mixer. I take 2 packets of rapid rise yeast and then my sugar. And then to that, I'm going to add warm water. I'm going to add in my salt, and then I have olive oil. And the last thing to add is the flours. So I'm just going to mix the bread flour in, that's 1 cup. Then I'm going to add all-purpose flour. We'll slowly add the rest of it because we don't want it to get too dry. Then I'm going to add another cup to this. I'm going to save my last cup to add slowly. Turn it on low. You can tell it's not quite the consistency where we want yet because it's just dripping off of there. So I'm going to add about a half of this to the mixture. Turn it back on low. When it starts to look kind of stringy and it's really balling up on that bread attachment, you know you're getting very close. Add about another 1/4 cup to this mixture. That's more the consistency that we're looking for right there. Now I'm ready to put it into a bowl. It needs to rise to double its size. Very important to put some oil into the bowl so it doesn't stick as it's rising. I'm going to put just a little bit more oil on top. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap. It's going to take about a half an hour to 45 minutes. It's a little cooler today, so it probably takes us a little bit longer. And I'm just going to put it right onto the floured surface here. So now I'm just going to knead it into kind of a log shape. And then I'm going to split it into 3 pieces. Try to keep them as even as I can. What I'm trying to do is just knead it, get the air out of the dough. And then I want to just kind of turn it and roll it into a ball. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2. I'm going to take a piece of plastic wrap. Make sure that there's enough oil on top so it's not sticking. And then I'm just going to wrap it up into a ball. And what I like to do is just take a gallon-size bag and put these 3 pieces inside. Take the air out and seal them up. You can freeze the dough for up to around 3 months. And what's so nice about that is you can do this ahead of time. You don't have to worry about trying to make all your dough at the last minute. You can just pull this stuff out and use it whenever. It takes about 4 or 5 hours to have it thaw in the refrigerator. And then once they're thawed, they're ready to make pizza out of.